Yesterday, we learned that we noticed that this wasn't in the form that we're used to, right? So we did all the work to get it in the form we are used to. Nope, not anymore. Okay? We're going to call it vertex form. Okay? This is in vertex form. It's written as y equals, write this at the top somewhere. Y equals a times x minus h plus k. Those are just letters to symbolize what the numbers are for. It'll make a lot more sense in a second. Okay? So that's just a form. So, I forgot the squared though. There's a squared there. Okay, so that is in this form. That is our vertex form. Okay, from there, so I know you did these yesterday, but you're going to check them with this form to make sure you did it right. Okay, so vertex, to find our vertex, that's going to be our HK. That's going to be our vertex from that. So what do you notice about the equation compared to the vertex? Particularly with the H.
The H is the 1, the negative 1.
Right. Okay, if we're looking at this one, H is negative 1, but it wants...
Negative 2. Oh. It wants positive 1.
It wants positive 1 for the H. Yep, it wants positive 1 for the H. So you switch the sign of your H, so our H is 1. And then what is my K?
Your K is negative 2.
Negative 2. That is our vertex, so plot that if you already have it. Good. That is our vertex. Now, how do we get the rest? How do we get the others? What have we been doing? Step pattern. What's our step pattern?
1, 3, 5, 7.
1, 3, 5, 7. Okay. What do we have to look out for though?
The leading coefficient.
Right, which is our A. We still have that leading coefficient, that A. What's our leading coefficient on number 11? 2. So what do we have to do to all those steps? Multiply those by 2. So our new step is 2, 6, 10, and 14. So then how do I use that step? Over 1 up 2, and then I go over 1 up 6. And then I can do the same thing to the other side, or I can mirror it. And then connect. Now, is that easier than yesterday?
Yeah.
Is it in vertex form?
Yes.
Yes. Vertex is H, comma, K. What is our H? Yep, we want the opposite. We want negative 4, and then K is 1. Does that match what you got from yesterday? Negative 4, 1. And then our step, what's our step pattern? 1, 3, 5, 7. Does our step pattern need to change? Yes. By how much? 2. So we get 6. Nope, lied. 2, 6, 10, and 14. So then you follow that step pattern. Over 1, up 2, over 1, up 6.